Hi guys, this is Allison Pryor, and I teach acrylic paintings for the beginner. I do techniques that are very simple and easy to follow in real time so you can follow along with me. Hi! I even teach you how to draw a cat. So let's get on and start with a new painting. So here's the cute kitty cat. Isn't that cute? It's different, isn't it? Ooh, she's so sweet. Playing with a flower. So I'll show you how to paint that today. Yep, she's so cute. Maybe a little scary looking, I don't know. But she's cute. Now, so what I'm going to do is use my other synthetic or nylon brush, chiseled edge. And I'm going to go back into the black and blue again. And we're going to bring out some fur, like this, right here. See? I'm going to bring the fur out on the edges, like that. Okay, so we'll get the furry look. So we'll go back with the black and blue, and we'll take our brush, our chiseled edge, and start pulling out. Pull out, pull out, pull out, pull out, pull out. Pull out, out and up and out. Your chisel edge will give those nice. So reload if you have to. Maybe the fur is going this way this time. Pull up and out. See? Keep going. There we go. And we'll get some more paint. We need it. And we'll go down around the back of the head here. Pull out. And now you're getting some nice little fur textures. Pull out again if you're not getting what you want. Let's pull out more. Good. Pull out, pull out. So you start on the inside where it's already black, and then you pull out. See that? Isn't that cool? Let's do the tail and the back. There we go. Get some paint. And we get a little bit of fur sticking out here. Start inside and pull out. Inside and out. You get those lines. That makes it look like fur. There we go. We'll do the tail. Tail comes up, start inside, pull out. Chiseled edge. There we go. See that? Good. And probably a little bit on here. Give it a fluffy look. There we go. It's okay if your tail fattens up a little bit. And down around the back. Bring it out from here, inside, out. Oops, not too much. Little stray hairs going here and there. Come down around the back of the leg. Down around the back of the leg. And out. You can have as fluffy or furry as you want. Nice. And then we can bring some a little bit down here into the paw. And get more paint. You probably need a lot of paint to get it to move. Good. Maybe just a little bit out here. down around the belly. Alright, and we got some coming around the back of this leg here. We're going to make this kitten really fluffy. See? And we'll do some more over here. A few little streaks coming out. Start inside and pull out. Out and down over the paw. Good. And some around the belly here. Let's see. Let's pull down and out. And this here, maybe it's going up this way. Try to figure out which way you think the kitten's fur might be moving. There we go. Get more paint. It won't move. So start inside the black that's already there, and then start pulling up. And you can pull up towards the white. Alright. Pull up towards the white, get some fur in there. Get more paint if it starts to fade out on you. Alright. And then we'll go out. And out. Inside out, okay? Inside the black and out. Good. Finish up this in here. Filled it in a little bit. Just keep that line there for now. Alright. Already it looks nice and fluffy. Now with your dirty brush, just add some white, little tiny bit of white to make a gray color. Alright, so I'm just going into my gray color. And I'm going to go back over that again. This time, a few little strokes. Just a few little strokes, just here and there, just to go with the shape of the head. And you can also put in some, let's see, just stroke on some of these gray lines just to bring out the fur. When that dries, it'll dry a little dark. Can you pull out into what you already did here? Down over the back, the neck. There we go. If you end up making your too many strokes, go back and get some black. I'll show you that in a second. Okay. So I'm going to get some more of my gray, put on some more fur. Now we don't have our black going out here, so let's put that in first. Get your black, blue, and get some fur out here. It has to be black because it won't show up if you do it with the highlight. A little bit of fur here. And under here. And here. Good. Now get your grayish color and start putting on some more little bits of fur, just little strokes, little strokes all over the place. Go with the shape of the head is coming down this way. Alright. And come down in here, just over the eye, under the eye, in between, around the nose. Just put them on here. Little stroke here. skip over and start again another part. Okay. Getting there, we're getting there. When that dries, it won't be so bright and it'll look more natural. Some more gray paint. Let's start with the tail. I'm going to start at the top and pull in from those ones that are outside. I'll just pull in some of these. I'm going to leave that side there dark. Good. It's too bright, get some more black and blue and add that to your gray color that you made. Now nice little strokes. Let's say the back is coming around this way. Just little strokes. So you put a couple strokes up here, you move down, jump over. Good. I'm trying to make mine a little bit brighter for you so that you can see what I'm doing. Good. So all we're doing is put little strokes, just for fur. Little tiny ones, a little bigger than some little bigger ones, but mostly small ones. Little small strokes. Little small strokes. And you're leaving your black. See? This is an easy way to make a bit of fur. There are different ways to make fur and make cats, and depending on a fluffy cat or short-haired cat or... Alright, so there we go, little strokes. And down around here will probably be a little darker, so you can keep your paint a little darker. Touch and pull, touch and pull. Touch, pull, touch, pull, touch, pull. Little strokes, just touch and pull. Good. And we'll have some here. So a little bit here. Just lightening up a few spots there so you can see it. Come out with the fur that came out to the side. Leave the black. See? Now let's do the other one. The chest. Start up here, wherever you're comfortable. Okay. Now let's just say you said, oh no, that's too much, I don't like that. Just go back in with your black and blue and pull in some more strokes in between what you just did, okay? See? And that will take out a few. And we'll probably be doing with some of these just to make it look more furry. So we'll get some more gray. And we will go with the shape. Whoops. Gray it up a little bit. Let's gray it up a little bit so you can see it. I'm going into the fur that I pulled out on there. Just a little bit here and there. I'm jumping over spots. Making these little... And I'll come down with these. Go with the shape I've already got there. Good. Now, see, that's not too hard, is it? Looks cute. Now you can take some more paint, lighten it up a small bit, gray. Just lighten up a small bit. And let's go over a little bits of these just to highlight some of the ones we already have done. Not too much. Just in spots. Just because paint dries really, really. Just little tiny pecks here and there. See? So you just go and put in a few little extras. That's all. Just give it a third value. So we got our dark and our medium, and now we're just putting a third value on, a highlight. If you look at your paintings and you think of 3 values, dark, medium, and light, whether it's trees or no matter what it is, you will see your painting come alive because of the 3 values. Start off with your dark and then start adding your medium and highlight, your third. Let's see, that's all I'm just doing is going back over them a little bit more, just to bring them out a little bit more, that's all. So, just a couple more. Just a couple more. Just trying to think of maybe where the light is shining on the cat. There's a bit of a highlight. Good. Let's see where else. Maybe a little bit here. And maybe a little on top of the head. Just pick a few spots. If there's a light coming in through this way, then it'll probably be on the back and different parts of the fur, brightening it up a bit. Maybe it's a little bit right here. Who knows? It's your imagination, so you decide. Just think of where the light is. Maybe there is no light. Maybe it's just one light all over the place. Good. Maybe a little bit here on the face to bring that out a bit more, make it more round. So, now, that's nice and furry. Now if you put too much on, go back into your black and blue, alright, with your same brush. And then move in some more black in between what you just did, or just go over certain spots. Tone it down, or to make the fur a little shorter. Right, look, see that? See, that will take out some of the ones that are too big, too long, and it'll give it a more even furrier look. See? So you don't have to worry if you put too much on or not. You can always go back over with some black to shorten up what you did. There we go. Same with the top of the head, some dark color. Put some black in between what you just did, or shorten up some of the fur a little bit. And that'll make the highlight stand out even more. Now, good. Just in between what you did. Give it a fluffy look. It's coming along. Good.